Let us plot 7 on a number line. Draw a line. Make sure there are more than 7 equal segments on it. Mark the line with numbers starting from 0. This is the position of 7 on the number line. Let us see how to plot the predecessor and successor of 7 on this number line. The predecessor of 7 is 6. The successor of 7 is 8. Observe that the predecessor lies to the left of the given number on a number line. The successor lies to the right of the given number on a number line. Now, let us learn how to add two whole numbers on a number line. Consider adding 2 and 5 on a number line. Draw a number line. Starting from 0, move 2 steps to the right of 0 to reach 2. Now, move 5 more steps to the right and reach the number 7. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. Now, let us learn how to subtract two whole numbers on a number line. Let us subtract 1 from 6 on a number line. Draw a number line. Starting from 0, move 6 steps to the right to reach the number 6. Now, to subtract 1, take 1 step to the left of 6. You reach the number 5. So, 6 minus 1 is 5, as seen on the number line. Let us solve the following example. Draw a number line. Starting from 0, move 13 steps to the right. You reach the number 13. Now, to subtract 4, take 4 steps to the left of 13. You reach the number 9. So, 13 minus 4 is 9. Now, let us learn how to multiply two whole numbers on a number line. Consider multiplying 2 and 6 on a number line. Draw a number line. Starting from 0, move 2 steps at a time to the right. You reach the number 2. Similarly, move 2 steps at a time to the right 5 more times. You reach the number 12. So, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Let us multiply 3 and 5 on a number line. Draw a number line. Starting from 0, taking 3 steps together, move 5 times to the right. You reach the number 15. So, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Let's summarize what we have learned in this topic.